Hello. Um, Today we're gonna use the Patran student version to work on a workshop which is called piston head analysis. It's gonna be a little different from what the workshop tells you how to do it actually because of the student version, but we'll try our best to complete it. So first, new. So let's check this. It's fine. 10 based on model. Patran structural. Okay. So the workshop asks you to import the piece. So you're gonna go ahead and save as applications, files, and piston. XMT. So you click model, parasolid, apply. You're gonna see a summary. You click, all right. Yeah, this is it. So let's see it in smooth shaded, and there it is. Beautiful. So now what you do is now we're gonna go to meshing. We're gonna create object, select mesh, solid. Here in the workshop it says to click on to select TED 10, but since we have the student version, TED 4. Input list. We select everything like this, and you're gonna click automatic calculations. The workshop also tells you to select, I think, 0.25, but since we have the student version, I'm gonna stick to that. Click apply, and there you go. Meshing. So now we're gonna create some loads and BC. So I go create displacement. Okay. Nodal. Gonna put it fixed. I'm gonna put input data, translations, click 0, 0, 0, 0. I like to erase the spaces because then it gets all crazy, but you don't have to. Select application region. You're gonna select this right here, which is called surfaces. So you're gonna select both circles, like so. Shift, select the other side. Select the other side like so, and click add. Okay, apply. There you go. Now you're gonna create a new force, but it's gonna be pressure on top of the piston. So pressure element uniform, piston underscore pressure. Input data 1200. Select OK. Select the top of the solid. So add. Okay. Then apply. So it's gonna look something like this. And here's the workshop, so it's probably just the same. Now we're gonna create the material. So you go to here, isotropic, create a stripe of manual input, material name it steel. Input properties, elastic model is gonna be 30 E6 and poison ratio 0.3. Click OK. check this, all right, and apply. Now, once it's created, we're gonna go to 3D properties, select solid, create 3D solid, all right, property name. Property name is gonna be piston, so piston. Technical difficulties, but we're good. Input properties, material name, click here, we'll click steel. Okay. Click engine region, select the whole solid, click add, okay, apply. Now it's all steel. Perfect. Now we're gonna go to log cases, select default and see both fixed and piston pressure. Displacement, pressure, it's all good. Check if everything's correct. Cancel. And then you're gonna go to analysis, which is gonna be analyze, object, entire model, method, analysis deck, workshop 1, translation parameters. Gonna select small since we have the student version. Everything else is fine. Solution type, you get linear static, it's fine. That's it. So apply. If you have an antivirus, it's gonna pop up as a virus. You just gotta let it slide. Okay, so now you're gonna go to the folder where you fix everything. Well, go to Nastran and select exercise, the PDF file you just created. So it's workshop 1. Select it, run. You're gonna get all kinds of new files. Okay, this is what I warned you about. Create exception. Got it. And that's it. Okay, so you're gonna open the FO6 file. Open it up. What I like to do is check for fatal warnings. And since we don't have any, we're good to go. So close it, open it back, Patran up again, and you're gonna select XDB right here, access results, go, click workshop, and click apply. So I'm gonna go to results, create quick plot. Like I was saying, you can create quick plot. Select right here. You're gonna go to select fringe results and select stress tensor, which is in the bottom. Von Mises, right? And then on the bottom part, you're gonna select displacements transition. So you click it. Make sure your quantity is von Mises. Select apply. And there you go. You have the results of the pressure and the constraints. Now we're gonna go to click right here and wireframe, model scale. We're gonna uncheck this and show title, select apply. click on I'm going to click on range attributes, set display to element edges, uncheck show title, and click on apply. It's different, and let's see it on a wireframe. Shaded. Well, looks back to normal, but you know everything's there. Well, this is what you have at the beginning. You saw how it changed, and this is the end result that you should have with all the deformations. You know, it's fixed right here. The pressure is coming from up here, and you see the pressure points where everything's happening. And that's it. Short and sweet. Thank you for watching.